So today we're going to replace a propeller on a 25 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke. It's the same on the 2-stroke 25 and 30 as well. So first we have to take the split pin out, then use a 22mm socket. Most of the Yamaha, especially the small ones, 25 to 60, actually to 90 horsepower, they use a 22mm nut. Nut is off. Then we have a flat washer. Then you can pull the propeller out. Make sure the 25 has a special spacer. Make sure you pull it out and use it with the next propeller. Sometimes it gets stuck in there, so you have to make sure that you pull it out. In the back we have the thrust washer, which again we need to pull it out. Again, this sometimes gets stuck in the old propeller, so make sure you pull it out. Okay, next step, we give it a good clean. Make sure it's nice and straight, no fish lines around it. Then we use some marine grease, plenty of that, so the new propeller doesn't get stuck on the shaft. And we have the reverse procedure now. So thrust washer, new propeller, fits nice, spacer all the way in, washer, castle nut, and use a new split pin because they tend to break. And make sure it's stainless steel. You don't use a nail or anything made of mild steel, it's gonna rust straight away. So brand new split pin, yeah. And just give it a bit of a bend so it doesn't come out. And that's it. Propeller fitted.